Here's a question that might surprise you. What's the most critical task for a programmer? If you said writing code, you'd be wrong. The truth is, programmers spend the majority of their time thinking and analyzing complex problems. They're problem solvers first, coders second. And here's the kicker. They can't afford to waste precious time rewriting repetitive code or troubleshooting minor bugs. So what's the solution? AI tools that act like your coding partner, suggesting code as you type, catching errors you might miss, and helping you debug those tricky issues that keep you up at night. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or you've been programming for years, I've rounded up the absolute best AI tools to supercharge your productivity. And hey, if this sounds useful, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming up. Let's start with GitHub Copilot. If you're a programmer, you know GitHub. It's where you keep all your code. Well, now they have this amazing AI helper called Copilot. Here's what's cool about it. Copilot doesn't just finish your sentences. It can write entire functions for you. Like you start typing, and it knows what you want to do. It's pretty magical. It works right inside the code editor you already use, like VS Code. So you don't need to learn anything new. Just install it and boom, you have an AI assistant. It knows tons of programming languages: Python, JavaScript, Go, Ruby, you name it. And if you're a student or you work on open source projects, you can use it for free. How awesome is that? The best part? It handles all the boring stuff. So you can focus on the fun parts, the creative problem solving, the stuff that actually matters. Next up is Cursor. This one's really special. Imagine VS Code, but with AI superpowers built right in. Cursor is smart, like really smart. It watches how you code and learns your style. It can predict what you want to type next. It even lets you give it commands in plain English. Just tell it what you want, and it does it. Here's something cool. As you're coding, it spots problems before they become big issues. It finds unused variables. It prevents common mistakes. It's like having a friend looking over your shoulder, but in a good way. And if you work with a team, Cursor makes that super smooth too. It helps with code reviews. It even writes documentation for you. No more boring paperwork. It works with all the popular languages: JavaScript, Python, TypeScript. Whatever you're working on, Cursor's got your back. Now let me tell you about Windsurf by Codium. This tool is like having a coding partner who never gets tired. It plugs right into your favorite code editor: VS Code, IntelliJ, whatever you use. And get this, it supports over 50 programming languages. That's insane. Picture this. You're coding away, and Windsurf jumps in to help. It finishes your lines. It suggests better ways to do things. If you get stuck, it explains what's going on. Oh, and it writes documentation too. You know how much time that saves? Hours and hours of boring work? Gone. Here's the best part. It's completely free. No tricks, no limits. Just download it and start using it. Whether you're building your first app or managing huge projects, Windsurf makes everything easier. Tabnine is next, and this one feels personal. It learns how you like to code. Then it gives you suggestions that match your style perfectly. It's super lightweight too, won't slow down your computer or make your editor laggy. And the free version works with over 20 programming languages: Python, Java, C++, Go, all the popular ones. It works in all your favorite editors: VS Code, IntelliJ, PyCharm. Just install it once and you're good to go. But here's what makes Tabnine special: privacy. You can run everything on your own computer. Your code never leaves your machine. So if you're working on secret projects or sensitive stuff, you're totally safe. It's like having a second brain that knows exactly what you want to type. But it keeps all your secrets. CodeRabbit is all about making code reviews better. You know how checking other people's code can take forever? CodeRabbit fixes that. Most tools just look at individual files. CodeRabbit is smarter. It looks at your whole project. It understands how everything fits together. When someone submits code for review, CodeRabbit checks it automatically. It finds bugs early. It spots potential problems. It saves you so much time. It works perfectly with GitHub and GitLab. No weird setup, just connect it and go. You can even customize the rules to match how your team likes to work. Plus, it gives you cool dashboards. You can see how your code quality is improving over time. It's like having a fitness tracker, but for your code. Sourcegraph solves a huge problem. Ever tried to find something in a massive code base? It's like looking for a needle in a haystack. With Sourcegraph, you can search through everything instantly. All your code, all your projects. No more downloading stuff just to find one file. And it works with your regular code editor, so you don't have to switch back and forth between different tools. Everything stays in one place. It comes with an AI assistant called Cody. When you're confused about some code, just ask Cody. It'll explain what's going on or help you figure out what to do next. Whether you're working on a small project or dealing with hundreds of code repositories, Sourcegraph handles it all. It saves time and keeps you focused on coding instead of searching. Last but not least, we have Beto AI. This one's like having a smart coding partner who never sleeps. Beto watches your code in real time. It spots bugs as you type, it suggests improvements, it makes sure you're following good practices, all while you work. It has different parts that all work together. There's an AI that reviews your code automatically, there's a chat feature where you can ask questions anytime, and there's a completion tool that predicts what you want to write. The coolest part? It really understands your code base, not just individual files, but how everything connects. So when it helps you debug or optimize, it actually knows what it's talking about. It's built to make your life easier and your code better. Simple as that. So there you have it. 7 amazing AI tools that'll change how you code. These aren't just fancy gadgets. They're real tools that solve real problems. The future of programming is here, and it's all about working smarter, not harder. These AI tools handle the boring stuff, so you can focus on being creative and solving interesting problems. Which one sounds most useful to you? Have you tried any of these already? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing about your experiences. And hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I make videos like this all the time, and you definitely don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.